Hey everyone, in this 2025 quick guide, I'll show you how to delete a received payment that's already been deposited in QuickBooks Online, step by step. First, go to Transactions, then select Chart of Accounts. Find your undeposited funds or bank account where the payment was deposited, and click View Register. Locate the deposit that includes the payment you want to remove. Then, open it. In the deposit window, uncheck the payment you want to delete and click Save and Close. Now, go to Sales and Customers. Find the customer linked to the payment. Then under Transaction List, click on the payment entry. Select More at the bottom, then Delete and Confirm. That removes the payment completely from your books. And that's how to delete a received payment that's already deposited in QuickBooks Online. Clean and simple for 2025.